the XT1C and XT2CR Tactical from Klarus coming up. Alright, here we are with Klarus once again. Klarus XT2CR Tactical and his little brother, the Klarus XT1C Tactical as well. They're both shared a very simple and useful interface, so we decided to make a video for both flashlights together. Something that we can notice easily is the high quality finish that Klarus offer for its products with the Type 3 military anodized on black color. You can see the rechargeable USB port right here, and this is really tight, offering waterproof protection to IPX8. Also, in this case, this use these detailed fins that helps with the heat dissipation. Now we got to keep in mind that this flashlight offers a high output of 1600 lumens. That's a lot of light coming out from this guy right here. So it's very useful to have this type of finishes on the body. On the XT1C, you also see the details of the fins that has around the head or close to the head for heat dissipation. We're going to take a look at detail for the dual tail switches. Of course, the XT1C has a smaller diameter compared with the XT2CR. Both of them has a dual tail switches. The round one for the power, turn off and turn on the flashlights. Once the flashlight is on, you can use these pedals to switch through the different modes. Or when the flashlight is off, you can press these pedals and will give you access to the strobe immediately. We're going to show you the inside of the XT2CR. Very good finish. They already came with silicone grease for protection. Gold-plated contacts with the spring. Now this flashlight has a dual spring for being a tactical flashlight. Since you're going to be mounting it on the rifle, more likely it's going to be able to stand to the recoil without affecting the electronics. Comes with its own Klarus 18650 lithium-ion battery, 3600 milliamp, will give you good endurance. You can notice that other end has the other gold-plated spring to make a contact with the battery. Now the XT1C is powered by one 16340 rechargeable battery. It does not open from the tail. It's basically the head that unscrews. And once again, all these electronics and contacts from Klarus, nothing less than high quality gold-plated contacts. Very nice finish in the threads. They already came with some silicone grease for protection of the O-ring seals and the contacts itself. And this is the 16340 lithium-ion battery that includes on the package. Now this is a rechargeable battery. What is so cool about it is the battery itself comes with a micro USB connection. Therefore, you can directly charge the battery without having extra accessories for adapting, like a battery charger carrying in your pocket, etc. Very good quality product. For the XT2CR, besides the battery that's already included, will come with a USB charger cable, spare O-ring, and a lanyard, and will include this holster. Of course, a holster with double laps here. One has this Velcro for easy access to your belt, and also have the standard loop. Provide a total protection. It's a very good detail to add for this high quality tactical flash. Here are a few details and specifications for the Klarus XT2CR. Also, this light is programmable. You can set it up for 3 different settings as it shows in the detail manual. The XT2CR has a smooth reflector with a mineral crystal scratch-proof lens, and the LED is a Cree XHP35 HD E4 with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. Also include this very strong and very noticeable crenulated strike vessel for self-defense. You can also notice how deep is the lens from the edge of the vessel. That will provide extra protection for the lens itself. We can compare the XT2CR with the XT1C. The XT1C has also a smooth reflector, and the LED is a SPL-HI V3 with a maximum output of 700 lumens and a 50,000 hour lifespan. Okay, interface. Very similar, both flashlights. Go ahead. The round switch on the tail, press and click. It sends you straight to the maximum output of 1600 lumens. You can see the camera readjusted to the brightness. If you use the pedal on the side, we'll go through different modes: high, medium, low, and round switch. Press and hold, turn it off. Now to access the strobe, just press and hold the pedal on the tail switch. That will direct you straight to the strobe mode. This is wow, this is very bright, very disturbing, good for self-defense. Similar interface with the XT1C. Press and hold the switch. It will send you straight to the highest mode, which is 700 lumens. Use the side pedal to go through different powers. Very simple to use. And when it's in the off mode, you press the pedal and it will send you straight to the strobe mode. Again, this is very effective and disturbing. Will give you the extra second or two to react against you attacker. Okay, let's take it to the darkness of our garage to see how it performs. Okay, we're here in the darkness of the garage, and we're gonna first test the smaller one, the XT1C from Klarus. There you have it, massive light for this little guy. 700 lumens top corner of this garage, about 9 to 10 yards away. Definitely is showing a really strong and white tint light. Perfect for tactical. We're gonna switch the modes. That is the lowest. High. Medium. Medium also gives you plenty of light to move around. The lowest mode, you still can do a lot of things in the matter of the dark with the lowest mode. And the high. I want you to notice how wide is the spill. The camera does not cover the entire spill that this flashlight provides. That's the edge or the corner of the spill. Just plenty of light to see in front of you. We're gonna try the strobe mode. Turn that off. That's the strobe mode. All right, this was the XT1C, and now we're gonna try the Klarus XT2CR. Wow, massive light beam. 1600 lumens, the maximum. It is readjusting the camera. This is blinding. 10 yards is not even enough. It's not a challenge for this guy. The light is bouncing back straight to my eyes, blinding me a little bit. We're gonna switch the modes. That's the lowest. That's the highest one more time. That's the medium. We're gonna go to strobe. Again, this is just impressive. Great products from Klarus, and totally becoming a huge fan of this company. All right, we're going back inside to have a final thoughts. All right, final thoughts about the Klarus XT2CR and the Klarus XT1C. Extremely impressive. I totally recommend these two flashlights. You can find them on the internet. Prices vary for the XT1C between $40 and $60. For the XT2CR, you can find it between $70 and $100. I totally recommend you order directly from Klarus, so you can also benefit from the 5-year warranty that they offer for all the products. If you like this video, please like and consider subscribing. We're trying to update different flashlight videos every week. And for the Klarus XT2CR and XT1C, thumbs way up. Thank you for watching.